In March 1999, Fumi Selvim and Machinitim by me, something in the ocean made a sound that shouldn't exist. NOAA's underwater monitoring system picked it up near Antarctica. 2 minutes and 43 seconds of pure mystery. They called it the Julia signal. It was louder than a blue whale, louder than any living thing on Earth. But here's what made scientists freeze. The sound had a rising frequency pattern that suggested something massive was moving deep underwater, something enormous. The signal was so powerful it reached monitoring stations thousands of miles apart. Think about that. Whatever made this sound had acoustic power beyond anything we've documented. Scientists analyzed every possibility. Earthquakes? No match. Submarines? Wrong frequency. Volcanic activity? Nothing there. The coordinates point to one of the most remote spots on the planet, and similar signals keep appearing in the same area. 25 years later, oceanographers still can't explain what could produce such powerful sounds in those deep Antarctic waters. Something is down there, and it's bigger than anything we understand.